Are you tired of using a vacuum that just doesn't cut it? Can a 1000W vacuum really make a difference? I'm here to find out. This is the Eureka Vacuum, a powerful cleaning tool designed for home and car owners who struggle with hard floors. It solves the problem of dirty and dusty floors, making it easy to keep your space clean. The Eureka Vacuum is a game changer for anyone who's ever had to deal with the frustration of a vacuum that can't keep up with their cleaning needs. Let's break down the specs. It has 1000 W of power, which means it can pick up dirt and debris easily. The 16 kPa suction is strong, making it perfect for hard floors. It weighs 17 pounds, which is relatively light, making it easy to maneuver. The 17-foot cord gives you plenty of room to move around, so you can clean without having to constantly switch outlets. The 2L dustbin is a good size, so you don't have to empty it too often, and the HEPA filter is a game changer, trapping 99.97% of dust and allergens. This means that not only will your floors be clean, but the air in your home will be cleaner too. The specs are impressive, and it's clear that the designers of the Eureka Vacuum put a lot of thought into creating a product that would meet the needs of homeowners. These specs matter because they work together to create a cleaning experience like no other. The power and suction make quick work of dirt and debris, while the lightweight design and long cord make it easy to use. The dustbin and HEPA filter make maintenance a breeze, so you can focus on cleaning instead of worrying about your vacuum. Whether you're cleaning your kitchen floor, your car, or your entire house, the Eureka Vacuum is up to the task. It's also great for people with pets, as it can easily pick up pet hair and dander. Imagine using this vacuum to clean your kitchen floor after a big meal, or to tidy up your car after a road trip. It's easy to picture, right? The Eureka Vacuum makes these tasks a breeze. You can also use it to clean your stairs, your furniture, and even your curtains. The possibilities are endless, and the Eureka Vacuum is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to keep their home clean and tidy. In the real world, this vacuum would be a great addition to any cleaning routine. For example, you could use it to clean your floors every day, or to deep clean your carpets and upholstery on the weekends. So, what's the verdict? I'm really impressed with this vacuum. The best things about it are its powerful suction and lightweight design. However, some might find the dustbin a bit small, especially if you have a large home or a lot of pets. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable vacuum that can handle hard floors and a variety of cleaning tasks. The Eureka Vacuum is also a great value, considering its price and the quality of its components. If you want to get your hands on the Eureka Vacuum, I've got you covered. The link is in the description below. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, a clean home is a happy home, and the Eureka Vacuum is the perfect tool to help you get there. With its powerful suction, lightweight design, and easy maintenance, it's a great choice for anyone who wants to keep their home clean and tidy.